Mommy is feeding Joshua little puffs, apple strawberry. Here they are. We'll put them down here. He just had some blueberries, which is what is all over his shirt. And Joshua is just learning how to pick them up. Put them in his mouth. Good job! Is that delicious? Listen to the crunching noise. Are you crunching with those teeth of yours? Good job. Can you take a bite? Can you take a bite? Did you get it? Did it get stuck? Here. Mama help you. Here you go. Listen to the crunches. Good job. You're doing such a good job. Here's one over here. Look. Oh. Good. Good job feeding yourself. Oh. Here. I'll help you. Oh. Yay, good job.